How to connect your Quora account with your Twitter easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Quora account with your Twitter in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Quora. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now go down here and click on the settings option. After you click on settings, right here you will find many options. As you can see, choose the account option right here, and now go down until you find connect with Twitter option. Just click on it and you will be able to connect your Twitter easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.